Hello, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. And today we are here for biology class, right? We have a new topic. Children, let me tell you first of all, chat section is open for you, and these are the free coaching classes going for NMMS exam 2024-25. All right. So in this class, we will be doing some biology questions. Okay, and the topic is reproduction in animals. Okay, so we will be doing the questions that will be MCQs or multiple choice type questions, and I'll give you 30 seconds in the starting, and then I'll reduce the timing so that you can increase your speeds. Okay, and we will be discussing few questions. You will get 30 seconds to answer the question. If you do not know the answer, then what you can do, you can refer to your textbook for this class. Okay, and make sure to note down these questions because these all are very important questions that may come from in your exams. All right. Okay, so let's move ahead now with our questions. Okay, we have our first question, that is oviparous is. So here some you examples are given and your options are fish, frog, snake or all. Okay, children, so what are oviparous animals? Oviparous animals are egg-laying animals. So we know that fish also lays eggs, frog and snake both lays eggs. So the correct answer will be option D, all. Okay. Next question we have, viviparous have external ears, epidermal hairs, option A or B and B both, and option D is none. Okay, so one option you have to choose. Children, what are viviparous animals? Viviparous animals are those who give birth, or simply you can say mammals. Okay, so the qualities of mammals are viviparous animals, or they give birth to their young ones, right? So the correct option will be option C, A and B. All right. So viviparous animals have external ears also. They have epidermal hairs also. Next question. Now you have to answer the questions. Okay, I'll give you 30 seconds time. So your question says viviparous are, and your options are A cow, B goat, C man, and D all. So children, your time starts now. Start answering me in the chat box. I have already told you what are viviparous animals. Still, if you have any question, any doubt, you may ask in the chat section. Okay, children? All right, so time is up. Your 30 seconds are over. And the correct answer is option D, all. As I said, viviparous animals are basically mammals who give birth to their young ones. So cow, goat, and man, all are mammals. So the correct answer will be option D. Next question we have, in binary fission, the number of daughter cells formed. And your options are A1, B2, C3, and D4. Come on, children, start answering the question. Your 30 seconds have started. Children, focus on the questions. They are talking about the binary fission. Yes. So, number of daughter cells formed in binary fission. It's very easy. You all know this answer. All right, time is up. And the correct answer for this question is option B, 2. Okay, binary means only 2. Next question we have, sperms are produced in, and your options are A, testes, B, ovaries, C, seminal ducts, and D, uterus. So, quickly answer this question. This is also very easy question. I am waiting for your answer in the chat box, children. The question is asking sperms are produced in testes, ovary, seminal ducts, or uterus. All right, time is up. The correct answer for this question is option A, testis. Okay, so testis is the male reproductive organ. You all know that. Next question. Internal fertilization takes place in, and your options are A, man, B, fish, C, frog, or is it D, earthworm? Okay, children, your time has started. Come on, quickly answer the question. My eyes are constantly on the chat box and I can see many responses that are coming. Yes, children? All right, children, time is up. And here we are, let's check the correct answer. In this question, we are talking about internal fertilization. So internal fertilization takes place in man. Okay. Male, female gamete, both the fusion takes place inside the body. Next question. Pregnancy period in human beings are, and your options are option A 260 days to 270 days, option B 270 to 280 days, option C 280 to 290 days, or is it option D 290 to 300 days? Come on, children. Keep answering me in the chat box. Pregnancy period in human beings. Very easy question. Everybody knows this answer. Yes? Time's up, children. So the correct answer will be 270 to 280 days, approximately 9 months. Right? Next question. One of the following is the viviparous animal. And your options are option A, frog, option B, sparrow, option C, leopard, and option D, crow. Viviparous animal, I already told you in the starting only. Yes? So I want the correct responses, children, in the chat box. One of the following is viviparous animal. Which one from the options is the viviparous animal? Children, time is running very fast. All right. So the correct answer for this option, for this question is option C, leopard. Those who has opted for option C, they all are right. We all know that frog, sparrow, and crow, they all lay eggs, except leopard. Next question. Epidermal hair is seen in this animal. And your options are option A, frog, option B, snake, option C, crow, or is it option D, cat? Come on, children. Here in this question, we are talking about epidermal hairs. Okay. Just focus on the question. There is a hint in the question itself. All right, let's check the correct answer. So because we are talking about the epidermal hair, it means the animal must be viviparous. So which is the viviparous animal? That is option D, cat. All right. So the correct answer is cat. Those who have opted for option D, they are right. Next question we have, asexual reproduction is seen in the following. So in which of the following is asexual reproduction seen? And your options are option A, hydra, option B, algae, option C, fungi, or option D, none. Quickly answer the question in the chat box, children. In this question, we are talking about asexual reproduction. Children, only 10 seconds left for you to answer. All right. All right. Time is up. The correct answer is option A, Hydra. Okay? Because we are talking about asexual reproduction. Next question we have binary fission is seen in, and your options are A, earthworm, B, amoeba, C, hydra, and D, monkey. Children, we are talking about binary fission. Very easy question. You can refer to your textbook if you do not know the answer, but please, please, please be active in the chat box. And if you have any doubt regarding any topic, you may ask in the chat box that also. All right, children, let's check the correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is amoeba. Okay, option B, amoeba. So those who have written amoeba as the correct answer, they are right. Next question we have, female flower do not have this part. Children, we are talking about female flower. Focus on the options now. Your options are A, ovary, B, style, C, stigma, and D, stamen. Very easy question, children. Quickly answer me in the chat box. Female flower do not have this part. Be very quick. All right. So the correct answer for this question is option D, stamens. We all know that stamen is the male reproductive part of the flower. Okay, next question says male reproductive system consists of option A, fallopian tube, option B, testis, option C, uterus, option D, ovary. Quickly answer the question in the chat box, children. Only 30 seconds I'll give you, not more than that. Male reproductive system consists of fallopian tube, testis, uterus, or ovary. All right. Now let's check the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is option B, testis. Because fallopian tube, uterus, and ovary, they all are the parts of the female reproductive organ. Next question. Embryo develops in this part, and your options are A, testis, B, fallopian tube, C, uterus, D, none. Embryo develops in this part, testis, fallopian tube, uterus, or none. Quickly answer, children. Only 20 seconds left. All right, children, time is up. So the correct answer is uterus. Okay, embryo develops in uterus. Next question is, in this animal, fertilization takes place externally. And your options are A, frog, B, hen, C, deer, or D, cow. Sorry, not cow, it is crow. Animal fertilization takes place externally. Frog, hen, deer, or crow. Come on, children. Be very quick. Time is running very fast. All right, time is up, children. And you all are doing great. Many responses I can see in the chat box. So the correct answer for this question will be frog. Okay, in frog, fertilization takes place externally. Next question. The larva of frog is called. Your options are A, caterpillar, B, tadpole, C, maggot, or D, wriggler. Larva of frog. What do we call the larva of frog, children? Very easy, very common answer, a very common question. Many times it has been asked in many exams. Good going, children. Keep the pace maintained. That I can see in the chat box. All right. So the correct answer is tadpole. Okay. So the larva of frog is known as tadpole. Next question. Pollen grains are produced by, and your options are A. Male flower, B. Female flower, C. Calyx, and D. Corolla. Here we are talking about pollen grains, children. Focus on the question. And your options are male flower, female flower, calyx, or corolla. Very well, children. Very well answered. The correct answer will be male flower because pollen grains are the parts of the stamens, right? They are found in the anther sac that is attached with the stamens. And stamens are present in male flower only. Next question. Test tube babies are formed through A. Test tube, B. Testing kits, C. In vitro fertilization, or in abbreviation you can say IVF. Your option D is external fertilization. Test tube babies are formed through test tubes, testing kits, in vitro fertilization, or external fertilization. Quickly answer the question, children. Come on, children, be very quick. Okay, time is up, children. Time is up for you. So the correct answer for this question will be IVF or option C, in vitro fertilization. Those who have opted for option C, they all are right. Next question we have, pick out the odd one out. So in this, you have to find out which one is the odd one. And your options are A, fish, B, frog, C, lizard, or is it D, camel? You have to give me the reason as well in the chat box why it is odd one. Come on, children. All right, time is up. And the correct answer will be option D, camel. The reason may be, the reason can be because only camel is the viviparous amongst fish, frog, and lizard. Right? Next question. The basic life processes which is essential for the continuation of a species. And your options are A, respiration, B, excretion, C, circulation, or is it D, reproduction? The basic life process which is essential for the continuation of a species. Respiration, excretion, circulation, or reproduction. Children, quickly answer. You have to increase your speed for the examinations as well. All right, so now let's check the correct answer. The correct answer for this question is reproduction. Next question, we have the scientist who performed cloning for the first time is. So name the scientist who performed cloning for the first time. And your options are A, Fleming, B, Jenner, C, Watson, or is it D, Ian Wilmot? Come on, children, quickly answer in the chat box. Scientist who performed cloning for the first time. Time is up, children. Time is up. The correct answer is Ian Wilmot or Ian Wilmot. All right. So he performed cloning for the first time in sheep, and the name of the sheep was Dolly. All right. Next question. Transformation of larva into adult through drastic changes is called dash. And your options are A. Meiosis, B. Mitosis, C. Metamorphosis, or is it D. None? Transformation of larva into adult through drastic changes. Meiosis, mitosis, metamorphosis, or none. Come on, children. Only 30 seconds you have. Quickly answer in the chat box, children. Very well, very well. Good going, children. The correct answer is metamorphosis. You all have answered very well. Next question. You have your question that says reproduction without release of male and female gametes is called. And your options are A. Asexual, B. Sexual, C. Budding, or is it D. Binary fission? Reproduction without release of male and female gamete. Sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, budding, or binary fission. Come on, children. Very well. I can see many responses in the chat box. All right, your time is up. Now let's check the correct answer. So the correct answer is asexual reproduction. Okay, in this reproduction, we do not have the release of male and female gametes. Next question. Animals having both male and female reproductive organs are called dash. And your options are unisexual animals, bisexual animals, hermaphrodite, or none. Children, so animals having both male and female reproductive organs, what are they known as? Well tried, children. Well tried. Keep trying. If you do not know the answer, definitely we are going to discuss, but please answer in the chat box. All right, time is up. The correct answer is option C. Animals having both male and female reproductive organs, they are known as bisexual animals. Okay, both the sexes are present, so they are known as bisexual animals. Next question we have the mode of asexual reproduction in yeast cell. And your options are option A, binary fission, option B, budding, C, conjugation, and D, fragmentation. Come on, children. Start answering. Your 30 seconds have already started. Time is up, children. And the correct answer is budding. Okay, so in yeast cell, you must have seen in the diagram, we have buds, right? Next question. Internal fertilization takes place in, and your options are option A, fish, option B, amoeba, option C, salamander, and option D, man. Children, we are talking about internal fertilization in the question. So the correct answer will be man. Okay. We all know that in man, the fertilization that takes place, that is internal. Next question. The larva of mosquito. All right. And your options are tadpole, wriggler, maggot, or nymph. Children, you have 30 seconds to answer this question. So what do we call or what the larva of mosquito is called? Is it called tadpole? Is it called wriggler? Or is it called maggot? Or is it called nymph? Okay, good going, children. I'm impressed by the responses. Keep answering in the chat box. All right, time is up. Now, the correct answer is wriggler. Those who have opted for option B, they all are right. Very well. Next question. The larva of houseflies. And your options are again option A, tadpole, option B, maggot, option C, wriggler, or option D, nymph. Okay, what does the larva of housefly know? Tadpole, maggot, wriggler, or nymph? Come on, children, be very quick. All right, time is up. The correct answer is option B, maggot. Okay, please note down these names. These are very important questions. The larva of housefly, the larva of butterfly, the larva of mosquito. Note down these names. All right. Next question we have the respiratory organs in tadpole larva. And your options are option A, lungs, option B, gills, option C, skin, or option D, none. Children, the question is asking about the respiratory organs in tadpole larva. Use your mind, you all can answer this question. This is very easy question, only a little bit tricky one. All right, time is up. The correct answer will be option B, gills. We all know that tadpole is the larva of frog, right? And frog is having skin, lungs, and gills for respiration. But when it is a tadpole, it mostly lives in the water and it has gills for respiring. Next question. The function of mitochondria in sperm. And your options are providing energy for its movements. Option B, respiration. Option C, excretion. And option D, digestion. So what is the function of mitochondria in sperms, children? Very easy question. Quickly answer in the chat box. Time is running, children. Not more than 30 seconds you can take. All right, time is up. The correct answer will be option A, providing energy for its movement. All right. Next question. Development of embryo takes place in, and your options are option A, oviducts, option B, fallopian tubes, option C, vagina, or is it option D, uterus? So where is the embryo development takes place, children? Your time has started. Please start answering in the chat box. Development of embryo takes place in oviducts, fallopian tube, vagina, or uterus. All right, time is up. The correct answer for this question is option D, uterus. All right, development of embryo takes place in uterus. Next question. Zygote is in this condition. Okay, focus on the question, how the question is being asked. Zygote is in this condition, and your options are A, haploid, B, diploid, C, triploid, or is it D, tetraploid? Focus on the question, children. The question itself has the answer. Zygote is in this condition. Is it haploid? Is it diploid? Is it triploid? Or is it tetraploid? Only 30 seconds. Don't worry, children. If you have any confusion in this question, I will explain you. Alright, now let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is diploid. Children, when we talk about zygote, it has two cells fusion, male cell and female cell, right? So both these two cells have fused, so that will be in diploid condition. But and that then the fertilization, after fertilization of male and female gametes, only zygote is formed, right? So that is in the diploid situation. But when it is only male gamete, or is it only female gamete, then that is known as haploid condition. Okay. And triploid and tetraploid occurs after the division in the zygote. All right. Next question. This is an example for marsupials. And your options are option A, platypus, B, echidna, C, kiwi, and D, kangaroo. Very easy question. This question is of general knowledge also. This is an example of marsupials. Very well answered, children, in the chat box. It is option D, kangaroo. You all know what are marsupials? Marsupials are the animals who carry their young ones in their pouches. Okay, next question we have, that is choose the correct matching. You have to find out the matching, children. So list 1 or list A says budding, binary fission and conjugation. List B says amoeba, paramecium and hydra. And then you have options also in the series as BCA, ABC, CAB, or is it ACB? Quickly match, children, or let's do it together. Okay. So we all know that budding occurs with hydra. So first one, here we can number as number 1. Binary fission occurs in amoeba, right? So here we can write as number 2. And conjugation occurs in paramecium. So here we can write as number 3. So we have C, A, B. So in the options we will check, it is option C, C, A, B. So the correct answer will be option C. So those who have written as option C in the chat box, they all are right. They have matched that correctly. Next question we have, identify the mismatch pair. And list A we have dolly, test tube baby and tadpole. List B we have frog, IVF and sheep. Come on, children. Mismatch pair you have to find out. See, dolly was the sheep, but with this dolly it is written as frog. So this is also a mismatch pair. Test tube baby is IVF. That's right. So this is the correct pair. Again, tadpole and sheep. There is no connection. So this is the wrong pair. So we have two wrong pairs or mismatched pairs. That is 1 and 3. So the correct answer will be option B, 1 and 3. All right, students. Next question. Okay, so we have a diagram. What is the process going on in amoeba, children? And your options are excretion, digestion, binary fission, or none. The 30 seconds have started. Focus on the diagram. What is the process going on? And kindly name it in the chat box. Children, focus on the diagram. This diagram is very common. Yes? All right, time is up. So in this diagram, you can see one amoeba cell is there. And at the end, we are getting two amoeba cells. So the correct answer will be binary fission, right? Next question. You can see the diagram and the question is saying, identify this animal. Children, you have to find out which animal is this, right? And your options are A. Paramecium, B. Euglena, C. Amoeba, or D. Hydra. The 30 seconds have started, children. Quickly start answering. You must have seen this diagram in your books also. Yes? Very well, children. Till now, the responses that I have gone through, they all are correct. All right, time is up. Now let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is Hydra. Okay, so this is the diagram of Hydra. Okay, again we have another diagram, children. And the question is asking, what is the process going on in the picture? So what is the name of the process that is going on in the picture, children? And your options are option A, digestion, option B, excretion, option C, binary fission, or option D, fertilization. Just look at the diagram carefully, children. What is the process going on in this picture? Time is up, children. So the correct answer will be option D, fertilization. You can see this is ova or female gamete, right? And this is the sperm that has already fused with the ova. And now it will form what? Will form zygote. So the correct answer will be fertilization. The process of fertilization is going on. Next question. What is the use of the labeled part in the picture? This part, children. In this, labeling is not clear, so I am asking about this part. Sorry. And your options are providing energy, movements, feeding, or excretion. So, what is the use of the labeled part in the picture, children? Is it providing energy, providing, movements, or feeding, or excretion? Come on. Be very quick, children. Labeling I have already done for you. The red portion. All right, children, time is up. Now, let's check the correct answer. So, the correct answer is movement, and the labeled part is flagella. Next question. What is the life process going on in Hydra? Binary fission, budding, conjugation, or fragmentation? Quickly answer the children in the chat box. What is the life process going on in Hydra? Binary pigeon, budding, conjugation, or fragmentation? Look at the diagram carefully. Several times you have seen this diagram in your textbook. All right, time is up. The correct answer is option B, budding. All right, that's all for today's class, children. I hope you all have enjoyed. Yes, very nice. Please note down these questions. You can refer to our videos also on our channel, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel also. That is Jatadhara Educational Technology. All right. Okay, children. Bye-bye. That was all for today's class. If you have any queries, you can ask in the chat box. Okay. And please refer to our to your friends, relatives. Okay, children, so that they can also be benefited by these classes, right? With this, I am ending class. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. We will meet super soon in the next class. Okay. Bye-bye.
Dear students, again we have class tomorrow evening from 8 to 8:45. Okay. Uh, and you all know me అందరికి తెలుసు కదా 24th నవంబర్ రోజున ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది మీ NMMS. ఇంకా 36 డేస్ మాత్రమే ఉంది. సో బాగా కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి. సోషల్ అండ్ బయాలజీ మేడం వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తున్నారో వాటిని బాగా రాసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? పాయింట్స్ అన్ని రాసుకోండి, అండర్లైన్ కూడా చేసుకోండి. ఓకే. అండ్ ఆల్సో కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ ఆన్ మెంటల్ అబిలిటీ. So bye everyone. Again we will meet tomorrow with a new concept. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology.